If you've ever wanted to get more out of your Jira dashboards, like calculating percentages, summing up issue fields, or even counting tickets instantly, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through adding the advanced issue filter formula gadget to Jira. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and start turning raw data into useful insights right on your dashboard. Ready? Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up Jira. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the main interface. This is where you'll be adding new tools and gadgets. Now look for the More option, which is usually found in the top bar or sidebar depending on your Jira layout. Once you spot it, click on it to reveal more options. From here, you'll want to select Apps. Apps are essentially plugins or add-ons that extend Jira's functionality, turning it from an issue tracker into a flexible information hub. Now with the Apps section open, you'll see a search bar. Type in Great Gadget. This is the vendor that creates the advanced issue filter formula gadget we need. Even if you're not familiar with Jira's add-ons, searching here is pretty straightforward. As you start typing, the list will filter automatically. Locate Great Gadget in the results and you'll likely see a Try for Free button. Go ahead and select it. Don't worry, you're not committing to a purchase at this stage, just exploring the gadget's capabilities. Next, you'll proceed with the trial installation. The system may ask for a few confirmations or permissions just to make sure you have the right access. Sometimes this part can take a few moments, especially if Jira is processing your request or if your organization has extra security steps. Don't worry if you have to wait a minute or two, that's perfectly normal. Once the install finishes, you should see a confirmation. At this point, the new gadget is ready to be added to your dashboard. If this is your first time adding custom gadgets, just know that this is how you make your dashboard truly personal and powerful. Head over to your dashboard. This is the part of Jira you see when you first log in, summarizing issues, sprints, and more. Find the Edit button, usually at the top or in the corner of your dashboard page. Click this button to enter Dashboard Edit mode, which is where you can add, remove, or rearrange gadgets. Scroll through the list of available gadgets. What you're looking for is either the Issue Filter Formula gadget or the Advanced Issue Filter Formula. Sometimes the naming varies slightly, but the core functionality is what matters. This gadget lets you apply mathematical formulas like percentages and sums directly to the data from your issue filters. For instance, you might want to calculate what percentage of bugs are resolved, or sum up story points across all issues in a sprint, or simply count how many issues meet certain criteria. It's a bit like turning your dashboard into a quick spreadsheet without leaving Jira or running any manual reports. Don't be shy about experimenting with the gadget once it's added. You can adjust the filter, tweak formulas, and display all sorts of metrics that help you track progress and performance in real time. If you ever get stuck or wonder how a particular calculation works, remember. The trial mode is there for you to explore without pressure. And there you have it, a simple way to supercharge your Jira dashboard with the Advanced Issue Filter Formula gadget. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own, and subscribe so you won't miss more practical Jira walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.